Mi gente, I'm gonna have this beautiful, yummy salad that I purchased at Costco. Here's a bag just in case you missed it, and I did a review on it. Mira qué rico se ve. Buenos días, mi gente. So today we're going to try this product. It's from Eat Smart. It is sweet kale, and I got this at Costco. It contains 7 superfoods. So I'm going to prepare this today. It contains broccoli, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, kale, chicory, dried cranberries, roasted pumpkin seeds, and a poppy seed dressing. It is 28 ounces in this bag, and we're going to use the whole bag. Excellent source of vitamin C. So this is how it looks inside. It has all the condiments, or the extras, as you would say, in a little bag. That way you can add what you like, extract what you don't, and hopefully everybody's happy, right? So let's mix this in the bowl. Okay, so I just let the salad sit for 10 minutes. Here it is. Look how beautiful it looks with all those beautiful greens, light greens, the pumpkin seed green, the cranberries. So beautiful, so elegant. Oh, it looks so yummy. I'm so anxious to try it out. Give it a taste. I'd say this is a yummy, yummy, yummy salad. It is very crunchy. I love it. I love when I get that bite to the cranberry and the pumpkin seeds. It gives it like another dimension of chewiness and crunchiness. You would think that that dressing was enough, but it's the perfect amount for this amount of salad. You just keep mixing and mixing and mixing, and you'll see. I give this a thumbs up. The yummy approval. It is so good. So I approve. I approve the salad. Please let us know in the comments what was your experience. If you've tried this, if you haven't, go ahead, go out there and try it out. You won't be disappointed. So bye.